Hey guys, I want to show you how I curl this wig using the biggest size of setting rollers, taking it from this right here to this. If you want to see the setting rollers that I use and how I was able to achieve this larger bouncy curl, please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to section off the upper part of the hair. Take note, this hair that I'm using in this video has already been washed, treated. I didn't air dry it. That's the reason why it's still wet. I just washed it, treated it, rinsed off the treatment, and I'm about to start styling it right now. So I section off the upper part of the hair. So what I'm going to do now is to use the styling mousse. So I applied it on the hair and use my fingers to massage it all through and then comb through the hair. Next, I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioner. So I don't know if you're going to find this product in the market, because when I searched for it online, I couldn't find it, but I saw it in the supermarket somewhere in Suliri. So next, I'm going to take a small section of the hair and start coiling it using that setting rollers. So I curled it up and then I used the supporting clip to clip it at the bottom part, because if I clip it at the upper part, it's going to droop a whole lot. So I clipped it at the bottom part. So I combed through this section of the hair. Because of the rollers I'm using is quite big, I can use a larger section of hair. So I'm going to coil the hair all around from the tip to the top of the hair. Then when I take it to the toppest part, that's the upmost part, I can use that clip and clip it upwards. Then I take another section of hair, comb through it, and take my setting rollers and then roll it all the way from the tip all the way to the top of the hair, carefully, just to ensure that all the hairs follow the rollers and it's clipped away. Then I'm going to go back and take another section of hair and clip away the rest of the hair on the up part, and then I'll reapply product to the small sections of hair I just cut out now to start styling. And the products which I applied is my styling mousse, and I'm also going to apply that leave-in conditioner just to ensure that the hair doesn't get crunchy. The people that usually complain that they notice that after they use the styling mousse their hair gets too dry. You can add a leave-in conditioner because it's going to ensure that the texture of the hair is still soft and the hair doesn't become so dry. So you add that leave-in conditioner or any other leave-in conditioner that you can find available. So I'm taking a small section of hair and I'm going to coil it all the way to the upper part. If you're getting value so far from this video which you're watching, please make sure you smash the like button and also share this video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, please click on the subscribe button and also share this video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thanks for becoming a member of our little family here on YouTube, which is fast growing. So I'm going to keep on styling this hair. Look at the size of the setting rollers that I'm using. It's a 36mm setting roller, so it's quite big. If you can get something bigger, if you want really wavy curls for very long hairs, you can do that. But this is the largest size that I found at my local market, which is the Lagos Balogo Market, Breadfruit Street, around that area in Lagos, Nigeria. But you can also get these rollers on AliExpress, you can get it on Alibaba, you can get it on Amazon, all these websites that sells beauty supply products. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm using my hair clip to hold the setting rollers up with the hair so that it doesn't droop down so much. So what I'm going to do now is to start coiling another section of the hair. So I'm just separating the hair around the closure area from some of the weft that is falling behind. So I'm going to clip that hair away now and then apply that styling mousse to this section of hair that I want to start working, and also spray that leave-in conditioner. I'm also going to apply that styling mousse on the other side and also spray that leave-in conditioner which I'm using in this tutorial. If you're watching this video so far and you are loving it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you haven't purchased our ebooks, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality, they are available on my website. Please check the link in the description box on how you can purchase these ebooks. Also, you can buy wigs from me at ENL Beauty Hair on Instagram, also on my website. Though my website, I need to update the prices because with the exchange rate issues, you have to always update prices. But right now, if you ask me the price, probably on Instagram, I'll give you the dollar rate and then you cannot convert it with the current exchange rate. I think that's just the system I'm going to be working with, instead of having to bother myself so much about calculating and recalculating the cost of the wig. I'll just put the prices in dollars and then just multiplied by the exchange rates prevailing. So when I make sales, I'll just buy dollars and keep as, okay, this is what I'm going to use to restock the hair, just to save myself from unnecessary stress and mental pressure. So guys, if you're getting value from this video so far, please let me know in the comment section. And also, what videos would you like to see next on my channel? What videos would you like to see next? Let me know also in the comment section. And of course, I always respond to comments, except for comments I miss. I always respond to comments. Just let me know in the comment section what videos you'd like to see next, because as much as this channel might have my name on it, that is, it's my channel, but I'm serving you. So if you want me to serve you better, serve you well, just tell me what you want to see and I'll be at your service, because I'm here for you. Yes, so you can see that using these particular setting rollers, it makes it a lot easier, unlike when you see videos of me and I'm using a rubber band to support the hair. The rubber band method is just very tacky, so please upgrade yourselves. If you don't have like this type of setting roller, just go to the market and purchase it. I bought a pack of these rollers for 1,500 naira, so all I needed to buy was just 3 packs of this, and that costs me 4,500 naira. So please invest in these new types of roller sets, because it just saves you time and it's just neater to work with. Yeah, so I just keep on applying the products and styling the rest of the hair until I've completely exhausted all the hairs, and I would move on to air drying the hair for a couple of days. So I think this is the last one right here. I probably have some hairs on the other side, but I'm just going to ensure that I comb through the hair very smoothly before I roll the hair on the setting rollers and then clip the hair up there. Because if you don't comb the hair smoothly, when you are rolling the hair on the setting rollers and it's not smooth, when you're taking off the hair also, it's also not going to be smooth. So the idea is just to ensure that when you're trying to roll the hair that you're rolling away is very smooth. So this is almost the last one we're going to be coiling away. So after coiling it, and I use that clip to secure it, I'm going to reach out for another hair clip and coil it away and clip the hair on top, and we are done with the process of coiling this wig right here. What we will do next is to air dry the hair. So if you have like a balcony or somewhere that you can just allow the hair air dry, just keep the hair there for a couple of days. These are the packs that I use. There are 3 of them, so I have just one of the rollers that remained from everything. So my hair has been air dried. I left it out to air dry for about 3 days. So what I'm doing right now is just take off the hair. Just see how luscious and bouncy these curls are. So beautiful. It feels like noodles. So yummy. I love how these setting rollers, I love the way the curls are, though it seems bigger than the regular setting rollers, but I like how the turnout is. I like how bouncy the curls look. I like how healthy and shiny the hair looks also. So I'm just going to take off the entire hair clips, and then take out the setting rollers as well. And you notice that in a particular, when I'm on the left side, I'm taking the curls out to go in the right direction, and when I'm on the right side, I'm taking the curls for the hair to go in the left direction. So that's another key thing you need to know. You cannot just remove the curls randomly. So what I'm going to do now is to style the closure area, and I'm going to apply my hair wax to the hair around the closure area on the both sides of the closure, and much later on the back side. I'm going to spray this heat protectant spray to the hair around that area and use that hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. And I'm going to just take my time and ensure that I get the desired smooth look that I desire, because man, when my client wears this wig, I want her to be giving luxury or nothing. Luxury or nothing. Luxury or nothing. When you revamp your wig, it should look as good as new. If it's not looking like it's new, then you need to go back to work. So if you need hair revamp services and you're in Lagos, Nigeria, just hit me up on Instagram and you can send your wigs for me to revamp them. Though in Nigeria, they would say that my prices are expensive, but in the abroad, like in the US, UK, I'm quite affordable. But my revamp services for each wig is actually 10,000 naira, and then it depends if your wig needs extra work, like ventilating the closure area, then I'll definitely charge more for that, depending on the size of the bald spots that are available on your wig. So what I'm doing right now is to apply some concealer to the parts of the closure, so that when my client wears this wig, it looks more natural. It doesn't look so wiggy. Yes, so I'm just going back to flatten some of the hair around the up part of the wig, and this is the finished look. This is the finished look. I love how this turned out. Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about how this entire look went. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll catch you in my next videos. Bye, love.